Hey you guys, what's up? Today I'm back with another mystery box unboxing. I picked up two of the Pretty Vulgar mystery boxes. These are still available on their website. I'll have them linked in my description box below. But I did pick up two so we could see if I get different items, and there is going to be a giveaway in today's video. I'm going to pick someone to win one of these mystery boxes, so make sure you guys watch all the way through so you know how to enter the giveaway. So really quickly before we get started, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, make sure you guys have your notifications turned on. All you need to do is click the bell next to the subscribe button, and then you'll receive a notification every time I upload a new video. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I did pick up two of these mystery boxes. One of them is going to be for the winner of the giveaway. So I will show everything that comes in the box, but I'm not gonna open it up really. I'm gonna open up mine, and I'm kind of hoping they're different because I feel like it's gonna be kind of boring if they have the same items in each of the mystery boxes. But these mystery boxes are $55 each, and they contain 5 mystery items, and it says that they have a $138 value. I believe I did have a coupon. They usually have like a 20% off coupon, so you can get it for cheaper than $55. I feel like $55 is pretty expensive for a mystery box, but Pretty Vulgar is a more like high-end brand. They do sell this brand at Sephora, and I have really liked all of the products of theirs that I've tried, but I really haven't tried that many of their products, so I am really excited to see what I got. All right, so here is the box that has both mystery boxes in it. It's pretty small, but I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and we'll see. Oh, not again. All right, so it looks like these mystery boxes are exactly the same because everything is just like thrown in here, and I see a duplicate. Maybe there might be some different things. All right, so the first thing I got is the Pretty Vulgar Detox and Chill Lava Water Foundation Primer. That is a very interesting name. Let's see. It says, reap the many benefits of our Detox and Chill Lava Water Foundation Primer by applying the unique charcoal formula onto your skin and watch the color transform into a sheer veil of colorless perfection as it's absorbed. The exotic primer will not only increase the wear time of your makeup, but will provide you with smooth, supple, and hydrated skin with its gel-like texture that transforms into a cooling burst of antioxidant-rich water beads. The formula also contains blurring and charcoal powders to promote oil absorption and detoxified skin. Overall appearance and condition of your skin will improve due to the high concentration of purified volcanic water enriched with essential minerals obtained from the incredibly lush ecosystem of the Jeju, I don't know how to say that, islands. That was a very long description. Wow, so this sounds like a super fancy primer. Okay, so there's like a whole little instructional card here for the primer. Here's what the packaging looks like. I think the packaging is beautiful. It doesn't feel very heavy, so as luxurious as it sounds, like the actual bottle is not that heavy, even though it looks amazing. I'm obsessed with the packaging of this, so I'm gonna put some on my hand since it says it changes color. Oh, there it is on my hand. Ooh, yeah, that feels amazing. Ooh, it does have a really strong scent. It almost smells like kind of minty. It's not wanting to absorb on my hand, but it does feel very nice. It's not like a silicone type primer. It feels very hydrating. So I actually am really excited about this. I feel like this is a really good thing to get in the mystery box. I always love trying out new primers, so I'm definitely gonna be testing that out. And then there is another one in the box. So the winner of the giveaway will be receiving this primer as well. This is weird. I bought two boxes, but we're like basically unboxing them at the same time. All right, so the next thing I see is this Shimmering Swan. I believe this is a highlighter. Let's see. Shimmering Swan highlighter slash illuminator. And this is in the shade Lilac Lust, which, oh, I'm sure it's gonna be a purple, which I'm probably not gonna like. Yeah, wow. Okay, so here is the highlighter. That is very, very interesting. It's almost like a duochrome type shade. I almost like don't even want to touch it or swatch it because I don't know if I'm gonna keep it, and I might want to put it in a giveaway, and I hate when I have to do that because I know you guys want to see like the things swatched, but then I don't like to swatch them because then I have to like keep it because obviously I'm not gonna give it away if I have touched it. But the shade does look really pretty, but I feel like it would be really pretty only as like an eyeshadow. I can't imagine this being a pretty highlighter. I don't know. Maybe it would. I'm not sure. But I wish that was a more wearable shade. I believe I have gotten one of their highlighters before in a BoxyCharm, I believe, and I have one of their blushes that I really, really love. It's so good. All right, so I have another one of these Shimmering Swan highlighters here. It's in the same shade, the Lilac Lust. Yeah, Lilac Lust. And so the winner of the giveaway will be receiving that. Ooh, okay, so this looks very fun. I love the packaging. This is the Feathers mascara. This feels heavy. I feel like this is gonna be a nice mascara. And this is in the shade The Raven, which looks to be like a black. Okay, this packaging, are you serious? Look how gorgeous this packaging is. They like literally kill it with their packaging, and this is heavy. I wish the primer was heavy like this because then it would feel like way more luxurious. Okay, so you just unscrew. Ooh, okay, so here is what the wand looks like. I am so excited to try this out. I cannot get over how beautiful this packaging is. Like, I feel like I would probably just like buy this mascara just for the packaging because that is so pretty. It's like a little bird cage with a little bird on top. I think it's a bird cage. It looks like a bird cage, but I could be wrong. There is another one of the Feathers mascaras in here. So this is obviously gonna be for the winner of the giveaway. I'm kind of sad that the boxes are exactly the same. I wish there was like more of a variety. I feel like that would have been way more fun if I had 2 different mystery boxes. That's why I like to get more than one to see if they're different, but this time they're the same, just like with the pure mystery boxes that I unboxed. These are the same like those. All right, so the next thing that I got in the box is this eyeliner right here. This is their On Point liquid eyeliner pin, and I can't tell if this is a black or a brown because on the box it kind of looks like a really deep brown, but I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, and I'm sure this packaging is probably gonna be amazing. Yes. Look how pretty this is. It's kind of like one of those old school pins where they like dipped it in the ink and then it wrote with it. That is so cute. Ooh, here's what it looks like. This looks like it's a nice fine tip eyeliner. Ooh, yeah. And that is very black. That feels really nice. And then I do have another one here as well. Okay, wait, hold on, pause. Yeah, it is black. It looks brown on the box. It is a black liquid eyeliner. So the winner of the giveaway is also gonna be receiving the same eyeliner. It's in the same shade as well. So we did get the exact same thing again in the second mystery box. And then I do have one more thing in here, and it is their Poisonous Pout Plumping lip gloss. And I believe I've gotten one of these before. I'm almost positive that I own one of these, and I can't remember what shade it's in. My husband is bringing in the trash can, so if you hear banging, that's what it is. So this is in the shade 59 Karma, which looks like a really kind of like deep rosy pink. So here is what it looks like. I'm almost positive that I have one of these, and I can't remember if it's this shade or another shade, so I don't think I'm going to open this just in case I already have it, but the shade is really pretty, and I'm glad that it's a really wearable shade. I feel like this packaging is really pretty as well, but I feel like it's not as like sleek and cute as their other packaging, but it is still cute. So then we do have another one of the lip glosses in the exact same shade, the shade 59, which is Karma. So the winner of the giveaway is going to be receiving this lip gloss as well. So that is everything that came in the mystery boxes. I feel like overall they were really good mystery boxes. So now that I know everything that was in the boxes, I probably wouldn't spend the full $55 if I had known what was in the boxes, but with the 20% off coupon, I do feel like these boxes are worth it. I do really like the variety of things that we got. So just a little recap, we got a primer, then we also got a highlighter, a mascara, which I cannot wait to try, an eyeliner, and then a lip gloss. So I feel like overall for a mystery box, there was a really good variety of products. So I am pretty impressed. I do think that I like these mystery boxes better than the one that I got from Pure Cosmetics, which was kind of like a similar price. I believe the Pure one was $45 without the coupon, and I feel like just in general, Pretty Vulgar's prices are a little bit more than Pure Cosmetics, so I do like these mystery boxes better than those. So now it is time to talk about the giveaway. I hope you guys have all been enjoying all of the giveaways that I've been doing. I've been trying to do more giveaways for you guys. So really quickly, I'm going to kind of like recap what the winner is going to be receiving. So they're going to be getting the Detox and Chill primer. Then they're also going to be receiving the Shimmering Swan highlighter in the shade Lilac Lust. Then we have the Poisonous gloss in the shade Karma. Then we also have the beautiful The Feathers mascara, which is a black mascara. And the winner's also going to be receiving the On Point liquid eyeliner, which is also a black. All right, so it's super easy to enter this giveaway. The #1 rule is that you must be subscribed to my YouTube channel, so make sure you guys subscribe now if you're not already subscribed. The second thing you need to do is give this video a thumbs up, and the third third thing you need to do is leave a comment down below. Please comment what item in the mystery boxes you guys thought was the best, and then also leave a way for me to contact you, whether it's your Instagram username or your email address. If you're not comfortable leaving that in the comments, let me know in the comments so that I can just reply to your comment if you win. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. I will have these mystery boxes linked in my description box below if they're still available. I believe they are. And also, before you guys go, make sure you have your notifications turned on. All you need to do is click the bell next to the subscribe button and you will receive a notification every time I upload a new video. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.